Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, do you know there are 96 million jobs available on LinkedIn? All the recruiters, HRs, and the companies are there on LinkedIn. They are posting the jobs and they are hiring through LinkedIn. And there are total 830 millions members are available on LinkedIn, but you are searching the job on YouTube channels and you are searching the jobs somewhere else. So now LinkedIn has given more priority over everything. So even in your resume now, the LinkedIn profile ID should be there. So today we are going to talk about the LinkedIn profile. So if you do not have one, then you please make it today. And if you have a LinkedIn profile, then how to search the job, how can you directly chat with the recruiter, how can you send your resume, your CV to the recruiter. So all those things we will be discussing in this video, and this video is going to be very important because I will take you through each and every tab of LinkedIn profile. Okay, so if you are not at LinkedIn, then please make a profile. It's very simple. Okay, so linkedin.com, and for everyone, your LinkedIn profile ID should be there in your resume when you are applying for the job. Otherwise it will not be considered. Okay, and you can see there is one tab here, jobs. So based on what you have put in your profile, you will be getting the jobs listed here recommended for you. So learning and knowledge specialist, IBM, right? So this is 1 week ago. So there will be a lot of jobs which will be available here. As I mentioned, there are more than 96 million jobs available right now. Okay, now, so friends, you have to make a profile in such a way that, so what you do, okay, so what is your specialization, what you are good at, so all those things should be visible. Say, remember, a recruiters will be able to spend hardly 10 to 15 seconds on your LinkedIn profile, and they should be able to get everything from there what they need. So friends, if somebody opens my profile, then he or she will be able to find it out that I am founder of Online Study for You, I am a YouTuber, I am a Joe Stock speaker, I am an academy educator, and I am an ex central government employee. So they will be able to get a clear idea from here. Okay, maybe if you are a student, then you can put it here. So DSA, C++, so something you can put so that recruiter will be able to see, okay, so I need this candidate because he is good at DSA, okay, he is good at Java, he is a front end developer. Okay, so you have to put in such a way that, so this will be your headline or title. Okay, so this will be your headline and title, and that should be very clear. And here definitely your name. And if you talk about the photos, so friends, in this circle, your photos, you should have a single photo, because I am not a student, and that is the reason I have put a photo like this. And from here you will be able to go to my profile. Okay, so you can see my profile. So here you have to put a display pic, you can say, and that should be a single pic, not a group pic. Okay, not a photo with your pets. So here's, there should be a single photo with a plain background. And the banner, so again, the banner, you can, suppose you are interested in a data section algorithm or any kind of technology, then maybe you can put that kind of banner again. So you have to see what you are good at, and basically you have to advertise here. So now LinkedIn is a kind of, right, so LinkedIn will give you a branding. Okay, so when the recruiters opens your profile, so they should be able to see, okay, this guy is good at that, and in that duration only they should be able to attract towards your profile. Otherwise they will just look for 10 to 15 seconds, and then they will either, if they will be interested, they will take it forward, or they will move to the other LinkedIn profiles, right? Okay, now, so friends, actually I was going through more, the resume, and then I saw, so most of the people are giving a LinkedIn ID which is not required. See, here you can see my LinkedIn ID is linkedin.com, right, slash in Pratik Srivastava. Now, so if we'll edit your profile, okay, then here you can remove the ID. So for me also there was some ID, 653,542 and all, which is not required, right? So you can easily remove it and then you will be able to save it. So your LinkedIn URL, okay, will be without the ID, and that you can easily put in your resume. So it will give a better look. Okay, now friends, I will not take much of time here. So if you will be interested in knowing more about LinkedIn, then definitely I'll make another video on that. Okay, now so I will directly go to the job portal. So there are a lot of things which you have to understand. So what is notification, what is LinkedIn news, okay? But yes, so now we will talk about the jobs. So friends, as I have mentioned, so my skills are, I am aptitude trainer, mathematic specialist. So I love to be train a student. So I'll be getting jobs according to that. But if you will try to search the job, so let us see, like Baiju is a company, right? So there are a lot of jobs are available. So here you can see, so business development associate. So all these jobs, like 4 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, so there are a lot of hirings are going on. So I have taken one of the company. You can take based on the company, you can select the companies from here, like Byju's, Topper. Okay, so here you'll be getting all the companies. You can also search here IBM, Infosys, right? So IBM, you'll be getting Infosys. So you can search the job from that particular companies. Okay, now you can also search for TCS. So if there is any kind of internship, if there is any kind of jobs are available, so that you will be able to see. And then again, experience level. So here you can select for experience level. So if you are a fresher, then entry level. Okay, if you want internship, if you want to go as an associate, mid senior level, director. So like this, you will be able to filter it out. Also, so on-site, remote, a hybrid. Friends, I don't understand one thing. So what is the problem in applying for a job, right? So what is the problem in applying for a job? There should not be any problem, right? So definitely there should not be any problem in applying for the job, right? So whatever jobs will be available in that particular company at that particular time, it will be listed. Okay, so you can also put suppose Infosys. Okay, so you can put Infosys here, and then you can see. So we have put a lot of filters here. So see, again I'm telling you, so it will be based on what you are looking. Okay, and again here we can filter it out. So let us remove this company. Okay, and so 2K results. So there are 2K openings are there in different companies. So you can see client solution lead from the Infosys, we realize implementation specialist. Okay, so walk in for service desk and customer service at Bangalore on 29th of June. Mega walk-in for voice process at Bangalore on 17th of June. So whatever the particular openings are there from that company will be listed out. So you can date posted. So you can filter according to the date. You can filter according to the experience level. You can filter according to the company. You can filter according to the job type. You can filter if you want work from home, if you want office or hybrid or on site. So you will be able to filter from that, right? Okay, now let us come down. So this is one important section. So on LinkedIn you will be creating the networks. Okay, now so friends, the most important things will be, so you have to be active on LinkedIn. So instead of Instagram and Facebook, try to be active on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can start posting something, like suppose I'm an aptitude trainer, so I can put something with respect to aptitude. So can you solve something like this? Can you solve, okay, 8.75, just give me one example, okay, into 7.89 into in 10 seconds. Okay, and now I'll start engaging the people. Okay, I can use the hashtag from here. Okay, so maths, okay, maths challenge. So or maths teacher, maths trick, maths challenge. So yes, mathematics. So whatever the tags they are suggesting, so maths challenge. Okay, if it is not there, then you'll have to find it out from whatever the tags are there. So that you'll have to maths tricks. Okay, so these are the hashtag will be there, and you have to create a engaging post, and you have to be active on LinkedIn. Then only recruiters will be able to find it out. Okay, so some recruiters might see your profile, or when I'm posting all these things, then some companies or some student or some organization wanted me to do the aptitude training, then they will be reaching out to me, right? Okay, now so these are the things are there. And then if you go to your profile, then there'll be one very important parameter here. So the next is about section. Okay, so about section you have to put, so whatever your achievement, whatever your knowledge are there, like I have put engineer by profession and an educator by heart, and ex central government employee, maths is my love, check out my YouTube channel. Okay, helping others in getting a job has been always my priority, let's connect here and share the knowledge. Joe Stock speaker, I have shared the YouTube channel link. And maths aptitude is traveling you, we can crack the sums together. So you can write about yourself. See, you will be the best person to know what you have done. And then, so whatever experiences you have, right? So I worked in, at online study for you, I worked in Nokia, I worked at an academy, I worked at Bangalore IS Academy. Okay, and your education details, so I have only added the graduation details. Okay, and then friends, the most important section will be here, the endorsement and the recommendation. Okay, so you have to get endorsed by your colleagues, your friends, your college people, right? See, I have added like high technical aptitude, mathematics, analytical reasoning, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning. I'm not very much active on LinkedIn profile. Okay, that is the reason I have not asked anyone to endorse me, or I have not asked anyone to give me the recommendation. So what you can do here, so you can ask your friends to endorse you, so that suppose you have put C++, Java, Python, so they will be endorsing you. That means you have a good knowledge. This skill set basically you have, and that is the reason people knows about you. That means someone, so suppose X knows about you, I mean not EX. Okay, X means suppose some person or some your friend. Okay, don't go to that. So that person knows about you that you are good at C++, so they will be able to endorse you. And even you can ask for the recommendation. So these are the few important things. Based on that, the LinkedIn works. Okay, so the recommendation, so I have given the recommendation. Okay, and I can ask someone to give a recommendation to me. So all those things you will be able to do it here. Okay, but the most important part is the endorsement, and you should be engaging. And also you can see there will be a lot of jobs hiring will be there. So you need to find the people. You need to, like, we are hiring, so analytics consultant, 1.4 years of experience anyway, so this experience is not for us, right? Okay, and then if you come down, so definitely I mean based on what you have put, so you will be getting the job openings, job opportunities. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so there here people will be also sharing if there is any kind of certification courses you have done. But I wanted to tell you about the openings which I'm not able to. Okay, so Infosys is hiring for data analyst, business analyst, fresh jobs. Do DM me your profile to apply for this role. Before that, kindly read the job description. So somebody was asking me, sir, how can we find the the data analyst job? So here this is a data analyst job which you will be easily able to find it out. And what you have to do is, so you have to put interested, and then they will be able to definitely reach out to you. Okay, so this is one very good things in LinkedIn. Okay, and jobs I told you, so you will be easily able to connect to the recruiters here, like I was telling you sometime before. Okay, so here TCS has by default selected, and that is the reason. So TCS and Baiju we are not able to get. Okay, so meet the hiring team. So if you click over here, and then you will be able to connect with her. So here the connection request, you can send it to her, and this helps them to remember. Okay, so here what you can do, meet at a work related event or something like that, and then you can connect with her, and then you can also send a message that, ma'am, I have applied for this, or I'm interested in this. Okay, so all those things you can do it on LinkedIn, and which I feel it is better than, see, YouTube is also good. So YouTube also you get a lot of notifications and all, but here this many jobs will nowhere it will be available. So friends, if you like this video, then definitely I'll make a part 2 on that. Okay, and definitely I know you like it, so please shower your love and support, and also do subscribe to our YouTube channel and be in touch. So we will be doing more activities like this. So thank you, take care, and all the best for your job.